All right, so I'm making this video right here for any time that you open up your MT4 terminal and maybe some of the stuff that's normally there is missing. How to get these things back up. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to View and you're gonna simply, so this part right here, it says this part up here is missing. You're gonna go to View, you're gonna go to Toolbars, click on Standard, you get the panel back at the top. Now you're gonna go to View, and the four things that you need up are Market Watch, Data Window, Navigator, and Terminal. And as you can see, there's actually control prompts where you can hit Control M, Control D, Control N, and Control T, and it'll pop them up. But I'm just gonna click on it. So Market Watch, boom, it's back up there. Click on View, Data Window, boom, back up there. Go to Navigator window, boom, back up there. Terminal, boom, back up there. Now the only thing I'm missing now is the chart, right? So then I'm gonna go View, and I'll take that back. That's under File. So on the for the chart, you're gonna go to File. You're gonna go to New Chart, and then I'm looking for XAU USD. Let me see if I can find it. Right there under Metal. Boom. Now I got my chart, and then I can kind of move this around. Now another thing is you can make this look however you want to make it, however you want to fit it in. You see how I'm moving this thing around? You know, if you ever make this mistake right here, so let's just say, you see how I got this X in this thing and I can move everything around? But if you make a mistake and hit this and make it full, you won't be able to move nothing. Like it's going to be stuck, right? So in order to be able to move this around, you see up here this X and this square? Well, right below it, there's another X, square, and a minimize. If I hit this little double squares, boom. Now I got it where I can move it around again. So I hope that makes sense. And then same thing with these. Like I can make this smaller if I want to, and I can make this bigger if I want to. You know, whatever I want to do, right? And I don't really need this data window. So I can move this around, and you can move all this stuff around. So I just want to show you that it's real easy. So if you ever open it up and, you know, that happens, you know, that's all you got to do. Thank you.